Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix that no sound plays after connecting your headphones to your phone. So at first you have to check if your earbuds are in the problem. Try charging your earbuds up to 1% so that your left and right earbuds are charged to 100%, and then check if you have any sound. Then, I know, rookie mistake, but you need to check if the volume level isn't turned down. Try increasing it up to 1% and it should work. Apart from that, try changing the sound output in your device to headphones. Wait a moment, maybe I can show you this on my Pixel here, but I need to, oh yeah. Here, as you can see, if I go here and scroll even further, we can see that here they have this AMAZFIT Up. If you hold your finger on it and tap this gear icon, you can see that they are active. If they're active, that's nice. It's because they are now set to the sound output. If you don't have them as a sound output, you need to at first play some music. Wait a moment. For example, this one. I don't know what that is, but let it be. And now, here, if you tap this free in a moment on the volume slider, if you tap this thing over here, you can see the volume level of the media and playing SoundCloud on AMAZFIT Up. Device settings. Here are your device settings. This should relate you to the earbuds. If this is on your phone, this is the problem. You have to set it to your earbuds. And if it didn't help you, you need to restart your phone and try to charge your earbuds again to 1%. If the issue still persists, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken. Goodbye!